हेलो फ्रेंड्स वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आ पूर्वर आम कोर 1 2 3 4 चार्टाक कोर क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कसन कर सारी। तो आज स्टार्ट करबा कोर 5 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर रो। तो चलते स्टार्ट करबा आज रो वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची द वर्ड टेक्नोलॉजी इन एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम व्हिच ग्रीक वर्ड। ऑप्शन अच्छी टेक्नोलॉजिया मीनिंग होची स्किल एंड लॉजिक, टेक्ने मीनिंग होची आर्ट और स्किल, लोगोस मीनिंग होची वर्ड, थियोरिया मीनिंग होची थियोरी। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी टेक्ने मीनिंग होची आर्ट और स्किल। द वर्ड टेक्नोलॉजी originates from the Greek word techne meaning art or skill and logos meaning hoji discourse or study. Together they refer to the systematic study of techniques or skills applied in education as educational technology. तापर 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following best defines the nature of educational technology. Option A it is limited to hardware tools like projectors and computers. It focuses only on teacher training. It is a systematic application of technological tools and psychological principles in education. It eliminates the role of the teacher. Our answer of option number C. It is a systematic application of technological tools and psychological principles in education. Educational technology involves the planned and systematic application of both technology and learning theories to improve the teaching learning process. तापर 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज वन की फीचर ऑफ द स्कोप ऑफ एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी। ऑप्शन अछि ओनली लिमिटेड टू रूरल स्कूल्स, focuses solely on distance learning, encompasses curriculum design, instructional strategies and evaluation techniques, replaces teachers completely. Our answer of option number C encompasses curriculum design, instructional strategies and evaluation techniques. The scope of educational technology is broad, including areas like curriculum development, instructional methods, teaching aids, assessment and classroom management. तापर 4 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी इंक्लूड्स व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग। ऑप्शन ए अछि ओनली ऑनलाइन लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म्स, ट्रेडिशनल chalk and talk methods, use of tools, media and learning theories to improve education, rote memorization techniques. Our answer of option number C use of tools, media and learning theories to improve education. Educational technology incorporates both tools and theories to create effective and engaging learning environments. तापर 5 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द मॉडर्न व्यू ऑफ एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी। ऑप्शन अछि टीचर सेंटर्ड इंस्ट्रक्शन, वन वे कम्युनिकेशन ऑफ कंटेंट, लर्नर सेंटर्ड एंड इंटरैक्टिव प्रोसेस, मेमोराइजेशन बेस्ड एजुकेशन। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी लर्नर सेंटर्ड एंड इंटरैक्टिव प्रोसेस। मॉडर्न एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी सपोर्ट्स ए लर्नर सेंट्रिक अप्रोच emphasizing active engagement, personalized learning and interactive environments. तापर 6 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is an example of hardware in educational technology. ऑप्शन अछि lesson plan, smart board, learning theory, teaching method. Our answer of option number B smart board. Hardware refers to the physical tools and devices used in the teaching learning process such as projectors, computers and smart boards. तापर 7 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट डज सॉफ्टवेयर इन एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी टिपिकली रेफर टू। ऑप्शन अछि फिजिकल टीचिंग एड्स, करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क्स ओनली, इंस्ट्रक्शनल मटेरियल्स, मल्टीमीडिया कंटेंट एंड लर्निंग मॉड्यूल्स, इलेक्ट्रिक बोर्ड्स एंड स्क्रीन्स। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी इंस्ट्रक्शनल मटेरियल्स, मल्टीमीडिया कंटेंट एंड लर्निंग मॉड्यूल्स. Software in educational technology refers to the content and application used with hardware, including e-learning programs, educational games, and lesson modules. तापर देखिबा 8 नंबर क्वेश्चन द सिस्टम अप्रोच इन एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी इज बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्ड एज। ऑप्शन ए रैंडम यूज ऑफ डिजिटल टूल्स, ए मैकेनिकल टीचिंग मेथड, a step-by-step organized method to achieve specific educational goals, a focus only on gadgets and machines. Our answer of option number C a step-by-step organized method to achieve specific educational goals. The system approach treats education as a system with input like learners, process, like methods, tools, and output होचे learning outcomes focusing on efficiency and effectiveness. तापर 9 number question देखिबा which of the following combines both hardware and software in a classroom setting. Option है whiteboard, notebook, interactive learning app on a tablet, chalk. Our answer of option number C, interactive learning app on a tablet. This involves hardware जोटा कि टैबलेट एंड सॉफ्टवेयर जोटा होचे ऐप और कंटेंट वर्किंग टुगेदर टू एनहांस लर्निंग. तापर 10 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द मेन गोल ऑफ सिस्टम अप्रोच इन एजुकेशन. ऑप्शन है इंक्रीज टीचर वर्कलोड, रिप्लेस टीचर्स विथ मशीन, अचीव लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स थ्रू सिस्टमैटिक प्लानिंग एंड इवैल्यूएशन, focuses only on content delivery. Our answer of option number C, achieve learning objectives through systematic planning and evaluation. The system approach aims to ensure that all parts of the teaching process are aligned and systematically managed to improve learning outcomes. तापर 11 number question देखिबा which type of educational technology is primarily concerned with the development and use of physical tools like projectors, radios and computers. Our option is behavioral educational technology, software educational technology, hardware educational technology, system based educational technology. Our answer of option number C, hardware educational technology. Hardware educational technology refers to the physical and mechanical devices used in teaching such as projectors, televisions, computers and interactive whiteboards. तापर 12 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which type of educational technology is related to the application of psychological and instructional principles in designing learning experiences. Our option है हार्डवेयर एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी, सॉफ्टवेयर एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी, सिस्टम बेस्ड एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी, ट्रेडिशनल एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी. Our answer of option number B, software educational technology. Software educational technology includes instructional materials, methods and strategies often based on psychological and pedagogical principles that helps in effective teaching and learning. तापर 13 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which type of educational technology focuses on analyzing the teaching learning process as a complete system. ऑप्शन है behavioral educational technology, hardware educational technology, software educational technology, system based educational technology. Our answer of option number D, system based educational technology. System based educational technology considers input जोटा कि लर्नर आउ रिसोर्सेस आ प्रोसेसेस होची मेथड्स आउ टूल्स एंड आउटपुट्स होची लर्निंग आउटकम्स टू डिजाइन इम्प्लीमेंट एंड इवैल्यूएट टीचिंग सिस्टम्स सिस्टमैटिकली. तापर 14 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ ब्लूम्स टैक्सोनॉमी इन डिजाइनिंग इंस्ट्रक्शनल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ. ऑप्शन ए रही सॉफ्टवेयर एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी, हार्डवेयर एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी, सिस्टम बेस्ड एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी, mechanical educational technology. Our answer of option number A, software educational technology. Using Bloom's taxonomy is a pedagogical method and fits within software educational technology which deals with instructional design and content development. तापर 15 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which type of educational technology is based on behavioral science principles focusing on learning outcomes and reinforcement. ऑप्शन अच्छी सिस्टम बेस्ड एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी, हार्डवेयर एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी, बिहेवियरल एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी, ट्रेडिशनल एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, behavioral educational technology. Behavioral educational technology applies principles of behaviorism such as reinforcement, conditioning and observable outcomes to modify and improve learner behavior. तापर 16 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हाउ डज एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी बेनिफिट टीचर्स इन द क्लासरूम. ऑप्शन है इट रिप्लेसेस द टीचर एंटायरली, it helps in planning, presenting and evaluating lessons effectively, it encourages rote learning, it reduces student interaction. Our answer of option number B, it helps in planning, presenting and evaluating lessons effectively. Educational technology assists teachers with lesson planning, content delivery using multimedia and assessing student performance, making teaching more efficient and engaging. तापर 17 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच इज वन मेजर एडवांटेज ऑफ एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी फॉर स्टूडेंट्स। ऑप्शन अछि इट इंक्रीजेस डिपेंडेंस ऑन टेक्स्ट बुक्स, इट ऑफर्स वन साइज फिट्स ऑल लर्निंग, ऑल इट सपोर्ट्स personalized and self-paced learning, it eliminates the need for teachers. Our answer of option number C, it supports personalized and self-paced learning. Educational technology allows students to learn at their own pace, access diverse learning resources and review concepts as needed, promoting individualized learning. तापर 18 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द इंपैक्ट ऑफ एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी ऑन स्टूडेंट एंगेजमेंट। ऑप्शन अछि इट डिस्ट्रैक्ट स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम लर्निंग, it decreases interest in subjects, it increases interactivity and motivation to learn, it replaces traditional teaching methods completely. Our answer of option number C, it increases interactivity and motivation to learner. Using tools like videos, simulations and games makes lessons more interactive and enjoyable, with which emphasizes student engagement and participation. तापर 19 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा why is educational technology important for teacher professional development। ऑप्शन अछि it focuses only on student learning, it provides tools for discipline management, it enables teachers to adopt innovative teaching practices and stay updated, it reduces teachers responsibility. Our answer of option number C, it enables teachers to adopt innovative teaching practices and stay updated. Educational technology supports ongoing professional learning, helping teachers use modern methods and stay current with educational trends and tools. तापर 20 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हाउ डज एजुकेशनल टेक्नोलॉजी इंप्रूव क्लासरूम मैनेजमेंट। ऑप्शन अछि इट क्रिएट्स ए नॉइजी एनवायरनमेंट, इट मेक्स स्टूडेंट लेस अटेंटिव, it helps structure lessons and maintain focus, it removes the need for classroom rules. Our answer of option number C, it helps structure lessons and maintain focus. With well planned digital resources and interactive activities, educational technology helps teachers keep students engaged and focused, thereby improving classroom discipline. तापर 21 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द बेसिक मीनिंग ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन। ऑप्शन अछि मेमोराइजिंग फैक्ट्स, शेयरिंग of information, thoughts or feelings, giving commands, listening silently. Our answer of option number B, sharing of information, thoughts or feelings. Communication is the process of exchanging information, ideas or emotions between individuals or groups using verbal or non-verbal methods. तापर 22 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is not a basic element of the communication process? Option A sender, receiver, calculator, message. Our answer of option number C, calculator. The main component of the communication process are sender, message, channel, receiver and feedback. A calculator is not part of this process. तापर 23 number question देखिबा in the communication process what is the role of the sender? Option A to block the message, to decode the message, to initiate and encode the message, to ignore the message. Our answer of option number C, to initiate and encode the message. The sender is the person who starts the communication by converting their thoughts or information into a message. तापर 24 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following best describes the nature of communication? Option A one way and fixed, static and permanent, dynamic, continuous and two way, only verbal. Our answer of option number C, dynamic, continuous and two-way. Communication is a two-way, dynamic and interactive process that constantly adapts based on feedback and the situation. तापर 25 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज फीडबैक इन द कम्युनिकेशन प्रोसेस। ऑप्शन A द मीडियम यूज्ड फॉर कम्युनिकेशन, द नॉइज दैट डिस्टर्ब्स कम्युनिकेशन, the response from the receiver to the sender, the original message. Our answer of option number C, the response from the receiver to the sender. Feedback is the receiver's response which helps the sender know whether the message was understood correctly, completely the communication loop. तापर 26 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is the correct sequence of the communication process? ऑप्शन A receiver, sender, message, channel, message, sender, channel, receiver, sender message, channel receiver feedback, channel sender feedback message. Our answer of option number C, sender message, channel receiver feedback. This is the correct flow of communication. The sender encodes a message, sends it through a channel, the receiver decodes it and then provides feedback. तापर 27 number question, what role does noise play in the communication process? Option A, it enhances the message clarity, it acts as a medium, it distorts and interferes with the message, it is the message content. Our answer of option number C, it distorts and interferes with the message. Noise is any barrier or interference, physical, psychological or semantic, that can affect the accuracy or clarity of the communication. तापर 28 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, which of the following is not a component of the communication process? आर ऑप्शन अछि message, feedback, translator, channel. Our answer of option number C, translator. The key components are sender, message, channel, receiver, feedback and noise. A translator may assist but it is not considered a core component of the process. तापर 29 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, when communication happens through spoken or written words, it is called. ऑप्शन अछि नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन, वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, सिंबॉलिक कम्युनिकेशन. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. Verbal communication involves the use of spoken or written language to share ideas and information. तापर 30 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is an example of non-verbal communication? ऑप्शन अछि a written letter, a face-to-face conversation, a phone call, a smile or facial expression. Our answer of option number D, a smile or facial expression. Non-verbal communication includes body language, gestures, eye contact, posture and facial expression which convey meaning without words. तापर 31 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, व्हाट इज ए कम्युनिकेशन बैरियर? ऑप्शन ए ए टूल दैट एनहांसेस मैसेज डिलीवरी, anything that promotes better listening, any obstacles that interferes with the transmission and understanding of the message, a person who decodes the message. Our answer of option number C, any obstacle that interferes with the transmission or understanding of a message. A communication barrier is anything that prevents the message from being received and understood as intended by the sender. तापर 32 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, which of the following is an example of psychological barrier to communication? ऑप्शन ए loud noise in the background, poor internet connection, prejudice or emotional state, faculty grammar in a message. Our answer of option number C, prejudice or emotional state. Psychological barriers include attitudes, emotions, assumption, a bias that influence how a message is perceived and interpreted. तापर 23 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, which of the following is a semantic barrier in communication? ऑप्शन ए use of unfamiliar or technical jargon, distraction in the environment, fear of speaking in public, poor lighting in the room. Our answer of option number A, use of unfamiliar or technical jargon. Semantic barriers arises from the misinterpretation of words or symbols, especially when complex or technical language is used. तापर 34 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, how does noise act as a barrier in communication? ऑप्शन ए it improves the clarity of the message, it distracts the sender only, it helps focus on content, it interrupts or disorders the message transmission. Our answer of option number D, it interrupts or disorders the message transmission. Noise, whether physical like sounds or psychological like stress, disrupt the clarity and flow of communication between sender and receiver. तापर 35 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is a physical barrier to communication? ऑप्शन ए use of unfamiliar terms, emotional distress, geographical distance or closed doors, difference in values. Our answer of option number C, geographical distance or closed doors. Physical barriers include any environmental or physical conditions such as distance, noise, faculty, equipment or physical separation that obstruct effective communication. तापर 36 नंबर क्वेश्चन, what is the primary purpose of Flanders interaction analysis? ऑप्शन ए to evaluate student grades, to analyze teaching aids, to study verbal interaction patterns in the classroom to test subject knowledge. Our answer of option number C, to study verbal interaction patterns in the classroom. Flinders interaction analysis is a tool used to observe and categorize teacher-student verbal interactions, focusing on how much time is spent in teacher talk, student talk, or silence. तापर 37 number question, how many categories are there in Flinders interaction analysis system? Option is 5, 7, 10, 12. Our answer of option number C, 10. Flinders interaction analysis has a 10 category system. The first 7 are teacher talk, next 2 for student talk, and 1 for silence or confusion. तापर 38 number question, which of the following is not a category of teacher talk in FIA? Option A is accepts feeling, lecturing, student initiation, giving directions. Our answer of option number C, student initiation. Student initiation is classified under student talk. Teacher talk categories include accepts feelings, praise, asks questions, lecturing, directions, etc. तापर 39 number question, what does category 10 in Flinders interaction analysis represents? Option A is praise, student talk जोड़ा response, silence or confusion, asking questions. Our answer of option number C, silence or confusion. Category 10 represents pauses, silence or unclear communication which neither counts as teacher nor student talk. तापर 40 number question देखिबा, what is one major use of Flinders interaction analysis in education? Option A is creating textbooks, diagnosing student disorders, improving classroom communication and teachers effectiveness, conducting final examination. Our answer of option number C, improving classroom communication and teachers effectiveness. FIA helps teachers reflect on their teaching styles, balance teacher-student talk, and improve classroom interaction patterns. तापर 41 number question देखिबा, what is the main concept of programmed instruction? Option A is learning by memorization, teacher-led discussion only, self-paced step-by-step learning through structured material, group projects and assignment. Our answer of option number C, self-paced step-by-step learning through structured material. Programmed instruction refers to a systematic method of presenting learning content in small steps, allowing learners to proceed at their own pace, often with immediate feedback. तापर 42 number question, which of the following is a basic principle of programmed instruction? Option A is rote learning, mass instruction, immediate reinforcement, delayed feedback. Our answer of option number C, immediate reinforcement. One of the core principles of programmed instruction is immediate feedback, which helps learners know whether their response is correct, reinforcing learning effectively. तापर 43 number question, who is considered a pioneer of programmed instruction? Option A is Jean Piaget, B.F. Skinner, John Dewey, Maria Montessori. Our answer of option number B, B.F. Skinner. B.F. Skinner, a behaviorist psychologist, developed the concept of programmed instruction based on the principle of operant conditioning. तापर 44 number question, which of the following is not a feature of programmed instruction? Option A is learner centered approach, individualized paced, lack of learner feedback, logical sequencing of content. Our answer of option number C, lack of learner feedback. Programmed instruction always includes feedback mechanism. A lack of feedback would undermine the effectiveness of the method. तापर 45 number question, in which of the following settings is programmed instruction most effectively applied? Option A is lecture halls with large audiences, computer assisted learning environments, open-ended group discussion, hands-on laboratory experiments. Our answer of option number B, computer assisted learning environments. Programmed instruction is highly effective in self-learning modules, particularly computer-based or digital platforms where step-by-step learning and feedback can be easily implemented. तापर 46 number question, what is the main concept of micro teaching? Option A is teaching large groups using multimedia, teaching in real classroom situations, teaching a small lesson segment to a small group with focused feedback, delivering lectures through online platforms only. Our answer of option number C, teaching a small lesson segment to a small group with focused feedback. Micro teaching is a scaled down teaching technique that allows teachers to practice and refine specific skills in a controlled environment, often using peer or mentor feedback. ତାପରେ 47 number question, which of the following is a core assumption of micro teaching? Option ଅଛି teachers learn best through reading theory, teaching is complex unchangeable act, teaching skills can be isolated and improved through practice, students should always lead classroom discussion. Our answer of option number C, teaching skills can be isolated and improved through practice. A key assumption is that teaching consists of discrete skills that can be individually practiced and refined through repetition and feedback. तापर 48 number question, what are the three main phases of micro teaching? Option A planning, teaching, grading, pre-active, interactive, post-active, knowledge delivery, assessment, feedback, knowledge acquisition, skill acquisition, transfer. Our answer of option number D, knowledge acquisition, skill acquisition, transfer. Micro teaching typically follows three phases. First होची knowledge acquisition जोटा कि understanding the skill, तापर skill acquisition practicing the skill in a micro teaching, तापर होची transfer phase applying the skill in real teaching. तापर 49 number question, which of the following is a key feature of micro teaching? Option A full length lesson plans, teaching in regular classrooms only, short duration जोटा कि 5 to 10 minutes sessions focusing on one skill, large student audience. Our answer of option number C, short duration जोटा 5 to 10 minutes sessions focusing on one skill. In micro teaching, sessions are brief and focused, allowing the teacher to concentrate on mastering a single skill like questioning or reinforcement. तापर 50 number question, one major application of micro teaching is option A assigning group projects, evaluating student attendance, training pre-service and in-service teachers in specific teaching skills, teaching music and physical education only. Our answer of option number C, teaching pre-service and in-service teachers in specific teaching skills. Micro teaching is widely used in teacher education program to help future teachers practice specific instructional strategies and receive constructive feedback. 51 number question, what is the concept of simulated teaching? Option A teaching only in natural classroom setting, teaching with real students only, teaching is a controlled artificial environment using role play or models, teaching via television only. Our answer of option number C, teaching in a controlled artificial environment using role play or models. Simulated teaching refers to a training technique where teaching is a practiced in a controlled setting, often using role playing or mock classroom setups to help teachers develop skills without real classroom pressures. तापर 52 number question देखा, which of the following is the first step in the procedure of simulated teaching? Option A providing feedback, creating a real classroom environment, defining the teaching problem or skill to be practiced, recording the session. Our answer of option number C, defining the teaching problem or skills to be practiced. The first step is to identify the specific teaching skill or situation to be simulated. This allows the exercise to be focused and purposeful. तापर 53 number question देखिबा, what is a key feature of simulated teaching? Option A conducted only in online mode, practice without any observer, no scope for feedback, role play by peers or trained actors to mimic real classroom situations. Our answer of option number D, role play by peers or trained actors to mimic real classroom situations. Simulation involves peer role play or actors enacting student behaviors, helping the teacher practice in lifelike situations while skill in a risk-free environment. तापर 54 number question देखिबा, what is the primary application of simulated teaching in teacher education? Option A grading students, preparing students for exams, training teachers in handling complex or unexpected classroom situations, creating lesson plans only. Our answer of option number C, training teachers in handling complex or unexpected classroom situations. Simulated teaching helps train teachers in managing challenging classroom dynamics such as handling disruption or diverse learners in a safe and supportive setting. तापर 55 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द बेनिफिट ऑफ सिमुलेटेड टीचिंग ऑप्शन अछि इट एलिमिनेट्स द नीड फॉर क्लासरूम टीचिंग इट प्रमोट्स फियर ऑफ रियल टीचिंग it allows repeated practice and feedback without harming real students it restricts creativity our answer of option number C it allows repeated practice and feedback without harming real students simulated teaching provides a safe space where make mistakes can be made and corrected and skills can be refined without negative consequences for actual students तापर 56 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द मेन कांसेप्ट ऑफ द पर्सनलाइज्ड सिस्टम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन बा पीएसआई ऑप्शन अछि टीचर लेड लेक्चर्स विथ यूनिफॉर्म पेस वन साइज फिट्स ऑल मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग सेल्फ बेस्ड लर्निंग with mastery at each unit rote memorization of content our answer of option number C self based learning with mastery at each unit PSI also known as the Keller plan is based on self based student centered learning students move forward only after mastering each unit of instruction तापर 57 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा what is one of the main objectives of PSI option is to reduce teacher involvement completely to ensure all students learn at the same speed to help students achieve mastery learning at their own pace to promote competition among students our answer of option number C to help students achieve mastery learning at their own pace a core objective of PSI is to achieve mastery students do not advance until they have thoroughly learned the current topic तापर 58 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच स्ट्रेटजी इज मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड इन पीएसआई ऑप्शन अछि ग्रुप डिस्कशंस peer teaching unit test for each module to ensure mastery surprise test without feedback our answer of option number C unit test for each module to ensure mastery frequent assessments are used in PSI to confirm that the learner has mastered each unit before moving on the next ensuring strong foundational understanding तापर 59 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा इन पीएसआई हु टिपिकली प्रोवाइड्स इमीडिएट फीडबैक टू लर्नर्स ऑप्शन अछि ओनली द मेन इंस्ट्रक्टर एक्सटर्नल इवैल्यूएटर्स proctors or peer tutors computer software only our answer of option number C proctors or peer tutors PSI often uses proctors or peer tutors to give immediate feedback making the system more interactive and supportive while reducing teacher workload तापर 60 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा what is a major application of the personalized system of instruction option अछि teacher led lectures in large classroom standardized exam preparation only online and distance learning environments military training programs only our answer of option number C online and distance learning environments PSI is particularly well suited for online learning where learners can control the pace take automated text and receive instant feedback aligning with PSI principles तापर 61 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी गोल ऑफ द कांसेप्ट अटेनमेंट मॉडल ऑप्शन अछि टू मेमोराइज फैक्ट्स टू कंपेयर पॉलिटिकल सिस्टम्स टू हेल्प लर्नर्स आइडेंटिफाई एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ ए कांसेप्ट थ्रू एग्जांपल्स टू टीच एथिक्स डायरेक्टली our answer of option number C to help learners identify attributes of a concept through examples the concept attainment model developed by Brunner uses examples and non-examples to help students understand concept by identifying defining attributes तापर 62 नंबर क्वेश्चन which teaching modules uses yes and no examples to promote critical thinking option A is synthetic model concept attainment model memory model, direct instruction model. Our answer of option number B, concept attainment model. The concept attainment model presents positive and negative instances so learners can discover the rules for classification themselves. तापर 63 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा द एडवांस organizer model is associated with which educational psychologist? ऑप्शन अछि जेरोम ब्रूनर, कार्ल रोजर्स, डेविड आसुबेल, Robert Gagne. Our answer of option number C, David Asubel. David Asubel developed the advanced organizer model which emphasizes providing learners with a cognitive framework before learning new content. तापर 64 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज एन एडवांस ऑर्गेनाइजर ऑप्शन ए ए टाइम टेबल फॉर स्टडी ए समरी एट द एंड ऑफ ए लेसन introductory material that helps learners connect prior knowledge with new content a textbook index our answer of option number C introductory material that helps learners connect prior knowledge with new concept advanced organizers helps bridge the gap between what students already know and what they are going to learn. तापर 65 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द पर्पज ऑफ द सिनेप्टिक्स मॉडल ऑप्शन अछि टू टेस्ट मेमोरी स्किल्स टू प्रमोट क्रिएटिविटी बाय यूजिंग एनालॉजीज एंड मेटाफोर्स टू डिलीवर लेक्चर्स टू एनकरेज rote learning our answer of option number B to promote creativity by using analogies and metaphors the Synectics model developed by Gordon helps students think creatively by comparing unrelated ideas and using metaphors and analogies. तापर 66 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा in synectics what is the key teaching unit used ऑप्शन अछि drill and practice repetition making the strange familiar and the familiar strange lecture method our answer of option number C making the strange familiar and the familiar strange synectics encourages learners to look at the problems in new ways making the ordinary unusual and vice versa to spark innovative thinking तापरे 67 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी फोकस ऑफ द मेमोरी मॉडल ऑप्शन अछि इंक्रीजिंग क्रिएटिविटी एनहांसिंग लॉन्ग टर्म रिटेंशन एंड रिकॉल टीचिंग स्पोर्ट्स promoting group discussions our answer of option number B enhancing long term retention and recall the memory model is designed to improve memory through repetition meaningful association and practice focusing on cognitive recall तापर 68 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which model is best suited for learning scientific concepts like photosynthesis option अछि memory model synectic models concept attainment model none of the above our answer of option number C concept attainment model the concept attainment model helps in building a deep understanding of scientific concepts by classifying examples with essential attributes तापर 69 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of these models emphasizes prior knowledge as a foundation for learning option अछि advanced organizer model synectic models concept attainment model memory model our answer of option number A advanced organizer model Asubel's model is based on the idea that prior knowledge significantly influences the ability to understand and retain new information तापर 70 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए टीचर asks students to compare a leaf to a solar panel to understand photosynthesis which model is being used ऑप्शन है concept attainment model advanced organizer model synectics model memory model our answer of option number C synectics model using a metaphor like comparing a leaf to a solar panel is a classic example of the synectic model which fosters creative thinking through analogies तापर 71 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट डज द फोकस ऑफ ए टीचिंग मॉडल रेफर टू ऑप्शन अछि द वे स्टूडेंट्स सिट इन द क्लासरूम द मेन एजुकेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द मॉडल द कंटेंट ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक्स द नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन ए टेक्स्ट our answer of option number B the main educational objective of the model the focus is the central aim or goal of a teaching model such as developing creativity understanding concepts or building memory तापर 72 नंबर क्वेश्चन इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ टीचिंग मॉडल्स सिंटैक्स रेफर्स टू ऑप्शन अच्छे द ग्रामर ऑफ लैंग्वेज यूज्ड द सीक्वेंस ऑफ स्टेप्स इन टीचिंग प्रोसेस द लेंथ ऑफ ए लेसन द टॉपिक्स इन ए करिकुलम आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी द सीक्वेंस ऑफ स्टेप्स इन द टीचिंग प्रोसेस Syntax is the step-by-step procedure or structure a teacher follows while implementing a particular teaching model. तापर 73 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा द सोशल सिस्टम इन ए टीचिंग मॉडल डिस्क्राइब्स ऑप्शन अच्छे द सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स द सोशल बैकग्राउंड ऑफ द टीचर द रोल्स एंड इंटरेक्शन बिटवीन टीचर एंड लर्नर्स गवर्नमेंट रूल्स फॉर education our answer of option number c the roles and interactions between teacher and learners the social system defines how teachers and students interact including levels of authority freedom and collaboration तापर 74 नंबर क्वेश्चन what does support system mean in teaching models ऑप्शन अच्छी फर्निचर एंड लाइटिंग इन द क्लासरूम the emotional support of parents resources and materials required to implement the model government financial aid our answer of option number c resources and materials required to implement the model the support system includes all instructional materials tools or aids needed to successfully execute a teaching model तापर 75 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द कांसेप्ट अटेनमेंट मॉडल्स सिंटैक्स ऑप्शन अच्छे स्टोरी टेलिंग यूज ऑफ एडवांस ऑर्गेनाइजर presentation of examples and non-examples use of projects our answer of option number c presentation of examples and non-examples the syntax of the concept attainment model includes showing positive and negative examples to help learners identify defining features तापर 76 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा the syntax model primarily focuses on option A factual recall, concept clarification, creative thinking, behavior modification. Our answer of option number C creative thinking. The focus of the syntax model is on enhancing creativity through the use of analogies, metaphors and unusual associations. तापर 77 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा इन द एडवांस ऑर्गेनाइजर मॉडल द सपोर्ट सिस्टम में इंक्लूड आर ऑप्शन अच्छे फ्लैश कार्ड्स फॉर मेमोराइजेशन प्रियर नॉलेज एंड ऑर्गेनाइजर मटेरियल्स ग्रुप एक्टिविटीज साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट्स आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी प्रियर नॉलेज एंड ऑर्गेनाइजर materials the support system includes materials like charts outlines or summaries that connect prior learning to new content तापर 78 नंबर क्वेश्चन इन व्हिच मॉडल इज द सोशल सिस्टम मोर स्टूडेंट सेंटर्ड एंड कोऑपरेटिव ऑप्शन है लेक्चर मेथड मेमोरी मॉडल प्रोजेक्ट मेथड डायरेक्ट इंस्ट्रक्शन मॉडल आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी प्रोजेक्ट मेथड द प्रोजेक्ट मेथड emphasizes collaboration and student autonomy making its social system student centered तापर 79 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए टीचर यूजिंग द मेमोरी मॉडल शुड प्राइमरीली फोकस ऑन ऑप्शन अच्छे enhancing creativity improving emotional expression strengthening recall and retention encouraging metaphoric thinking our answer of option number c strengthening recall and retention the memory model is focused on reinforcing learning and retention using repetition and memory strategies तापर 80 नंबर क्वेश्चन applications of the syntax model are most suitable in which subject areas option है mathematics and history art and creative thinking science only moral education our answer of option number b art and creative writing the syntax model due to its emphasis on imaginative thinking is best suited for creative subjects where innovative and abstract thought are encouraged तापर 81 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is a projected teaching aid ऑप्शन है चार्ट फ्लैश कार्ड स्लाइड प्रोजेक्टर मॉडल आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी स्लाइड प्रोजेक्टर प्रोजेक्टेड एड्स रिक्वायर ए प्रोजेक्शन डिवाइस लाइक ए स्लाइड projector or overhead projector to display content on a screen or surface तापर 82 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज ए की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ नॉन प्रोजेक्टेड टीचिंग एड्स ऑप्शन है रिक्वायर्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू फंक्शन नीड्स ए स्क्रीन फॉर डिस्प्ले can be used without technological devices must be used in dark rooms Our answer of option number C can be used without technological devices. Non-projected aids like charts, models, maps, and relia do not need electricity or devices and can be used directly in a classroom. ତାପରେ 83 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is not a non-projected teaching aid? ऑप्शन अछि chalkboard, globe, overhead transparency, flashcard. Our answer of option number C overhead transparency. Overhead transparencies are projected using an OHP overhead projector making them projected teaching aids. तापर 84 नंबर क्वेश्चन projected teaching aids are generally more effective when option is electricity is not available, teaching is in a noisy outdoor area, audio visual engagement is required, a quick explanation is needed. Our answer of option number C audio visual engagement is required. Projected aids like videos and PowerPoint presentations help enhance student engagement through visual and auditory stimulation. तापर 85 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of these is an advantage of non projected teaching aids? ऑप्शन अछि needs high tech setup, can be used during power outages, requires a projector, only suitable for large groups. Our answer of option number B can be used during power outages. Since non-projected aids don't rely on electronic equipment, they are ideal in low resource settings or during power failures. तापर 86 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट डज आईसीटी इन एजुकेशन स्टैंड फॉर ऑप्शन ए इंफॉर्मेशन एंड क्रिएटिव टेक्नोलॉजी इंटरनेशनल कंप्यूटर टीचिंग इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी intelligent classroom techniques. Our answer of option number C information and communication technology. ICT refers to technologies that provide access to information and facilitate communication such as computers, internet, audiovisual tools and software used in education. तापर 87 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following is an example of an ICT enabled teaching aid? ऑप्शन अछि globe, PowerPoint presentation, chart paper, flashcards. Our answer of option number B PowerPoint presentation. A PowerPoint is a digital presentation tool that uses multimedia and is a key example of an ICT enabled teaching aid. तापर 88 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा one major benefit of ICT enabled teaching aids is ऑप्शन अछि they increase manual work, they reduce teacher student interaction, they promote interactive and engaging learning, they are only useful for science subjects. Option H, our answer of option number C, they promote interactive and engaging learning. ICT tools like videos, simulations and interactive apps enhance student participation and make learning more engaging and effective. तापर 89 नंबर क्वेश्चन which device is commonly used in classrooms for ICT enabled teaching? ऑप्शन है whiteboard, blackboard, projector, bulletin board. Our answer of option number C projector. A projector displays digital content like videos or slides from a computer onto a screen, making it a key ICT teaching tool. तापर 90 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following is a software based ICT teaching aid? ऑप्शन है इंटरैक्टिव व्हाइट बोर्ड, एजुकेशनल मोबाइल ऐप, टेलीविजन, ओवरहेड प्रोजेक्टर. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी एजुकेशनल मोबाइल ऐप. Educational apps offer interactive content and activities that help students learn through digital means, representing software-based ICT tools. तापर 91 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी गोल ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग इन स्कूल्स? ऑप्शन है टू मेंटेन स्ट्रिक्ट डिसिप्लिन, to complete the syllabus quickly, to facilitate effective and meaningful learning, to reduce teacher workload. Our answer of option number C, to facilitate effective and meaningful learning. The organization of teaching and learning aims to structure activities and processes so that students achieve learning outcomes efficiently and meaningfully. तापर 92 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following is a key element in organizing school teaching learning? ऑप्शन अछि color of classroom walls, seating arrangement only, curriculum planning, School fee structure. Our answer of option number C, curriculum planning. Curriculum planning helps teachers design what is taught, how it is taught, and how learning is assessed, which is central to teaching learning organization. तापर 93 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट रोल डज ए टाइम टेबल प्ले इन ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीचिंग लर्निंग इन स्कूल्स? ऑप्शन अच्छी डिसाइड्स स्टूडेंट्स लंच ऑप्शंस, मेंटेन्स स्कूल डिसिप्लिन, allocates time and resources efficiently, selects test books for classes. Our answer of option number C, allocates time and resources efficiently. A school timetable ensures that teaching time is distributed evenly among subjects and resources like classroom and labs are used effectively. तापर 94 नंबर क्वेश्चन, why is collaborative learning encouraged in school organization? Option A, it reduces teacher responsibility, it increases competition among students, it fosters teamwork and peer learning, it simplifies exam preparation. Our answer of option number C, it fosters teamwork and peer learning. Collaborative learning encourages interaction, communication, and shared responsibility, enhancing understanding and social skills. तापर 95 नंबर क्वेश्चन, इन एन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टीचिंग लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट द टीचर एक्ट्स एज ए, ऑप्शन अच्छी सोल अथॉरिटी, पैसिव ऑब्जर्वर, फैसिलिटेटर एंड गाइड, होमवर्क चेकर. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, फैसिलिटेटर एंड गाइड. In modern educational practice, teachers are expected to facilitate learning by guiding, supporting, and encouraging students rather than just delivering lectures. तापर 96 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ यूजिंग टीचिंग मटेरियल्स इन द क्लासरूम? ऑप्शन अच्छी टू रिड्यूस द टीचर्स वर्क, टू डेकोरेट द क्लासरूम, to support and enhance student learning, to increase syllabus content. Our answer of option number C, to support and enhance student learning. Teaching materials are used to clarify concepts, engage students, and make learning more effective and meaningful. तापर 97 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is the first step in planning teaching materials? ऑप्शन अच्छी प्रिंटिंग द मटेरियल्स, assessing learning outcomes, identifying learner needs and objectives, selecting colorful designs. Our answer of option number C, identifying learner needs and objectives. Effective planning begins with understanding the needs of learners and the goals of the lesson, ensuring materials are relevant and purposeful. तापर 98 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट कंसिडरेशन व्हाइल सिलेक्टिंग टीचिंग मटेरियल्स? ऑप्शन अच्छी कॉस्ट एंड वेट, पॉपुलैरिटी अमंग टीचर्स, suitability to learner level and content, number of pages. Our answer of option number C, suitability to learners level and content. Teaching materials should match the learner's age, ability, and the topic being taught to ensure maximum impact. तापर 99 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following best describes the application of teaching materials in the classroom? Option A, reading them silently, using them to fill class time, integrating them into activities to support learning, distributing them randomly. Our answer of option number C, integrating them into activities to support learning. Teaching materials must be strategically applied during lessons to reinforce concepts and encourage student interaction. तापर 100 नंबर क्वेश्चन, ड्यूरिंग द प्रोसीड्यूर ऑफ यूजिंग टीचिंग मटेरियल्स द टीचर मस्ट, ऑप्शन ए, लेट स्टूडेंट्स यूज देम इंडिपेंडेंटली ओनली, explain clearly how to use the materials, avoid giving any instructions, use them without linking to the lesson. Our answer of option number B, explain clearly how to use the materials. Teachers should guide students on how to use materials effectively to maximize engagement and learning outcomes. तापर 101 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is an example of visual teaching materials? ऑप्शन अच्छी ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग, टेक्स्ट बुक, चैट, माइक्रोफोन. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, चैट. Visual teaching materials are those that can be seen. Charts, diagrams, and maps help learners visualize concepts, enhancing understanding. तापर 102 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ टीचिंग मटेरियल इज ए वीडियो लेसन? ऑप्शन अच्छी ऑडियो, ऑडियो विजुअल, टैक्टाइल, टेक्स्ट बेस्ड. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, ऑडियो विजुअल. ए ऑडियो A video lesson includes both sound and visuals, making it audiovisual and suitable for engaging multiple senses of the learner. ତାପରେ 103 number question, which teaching material is best classified as manipulative or tactile? Option A is whiteboard, puzzle, slideshow, flashcard. Our answer of option number B, puzzle. Manipulative or tactile materials are those that students can touch and handle, such as puzzles, models, and counters, ideal for hands-on learning. ତାପରେ 104 number question, a podcast used for a lesson is an example of which type of teaching material? Option A is visual, audio visual, text based. Our answer of option number B, audio. Podcast contain sound only and are part of audio teaching materials, helpful in improving listening skill and comprehension. ତାପରେ 105 number question, what type of teaching material is a printed worksheet? Option A is digital material, audio material, text based material, tactile material. Our answer of option number C, text based material. Printed worksheets, books and notes fall under text-based materials as they convey information primarily through written language. कोर 5 रो समस्त क्वेश्चन आंसर सरीगला. नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे आमे देखिबा कोर 6 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर. तो एई बळी भाबरे आमे समस्त सिलेबस कवरेज करिया को ट्राई करिबा. तो जदि वीडियो भल लागुचे लाइक करंतु, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु आ सांग मानक सहित शेयर भी करंतु. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.